For the time will come when they will not endure sound doctrine, but after their own lust shall they heap to themselves teachers having itching ears. Look all around. Look at all these doctrines that are not biblically sound in today's culture and society. For example, churches who dismiss the gifts of the Spirit, who teach that the gifts of the Spirit have ceased, or certain callings like the calling of apostle or prophet. And then you have the ones who dismiss the gifts of the Spirit, very strongly endorse women should not usurp authority over men. You have the pre-tribulation rapture. That's easy to believe, that you're going to escape a time of great tribulation, even amongst those who are lukewarm. Believe they're going to be raptured or caught up. Biblical. But then you have those amongst those who believe in the gifts of the Spirit and believe in the callings of apostle and prophet, etc., ignore the biblical sound doctrine of that women should not be usurping authority over a men, as in women should not be pastors. So all over in our culture and society, you have different denominations picking and choosing what they believe. And it's because in the last days, people have itching ears. They believe certain parts of Scripture, but not all Scripture. They don't follow all the Scripture. And Yeshua even mentions, beware of the leaven of the Pharisees and the leaven of Herod. What is the leaven of Herod? Politics. Politics, worldly power. You have Christian nationalism. Yeshua tells us to beware of it. That means he warns us to stay away from being political, as that is the leaven of Herod. I'm prophet this or that. I'm apostle this or that.